Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel. So in this video I would like to show you the way how to change the time format on your iPhone. So I record this video at the afternoon, so you'll see here the format is still like in a 12 hours format, which is like for 24 minutes. So I would like to change it into 24 hours so you can like easier understanding the time. So to do that, you just need to open the settings, and right after that you just need to scrolling down until you found the general and just click it. Now you just need to scrolling down again until you found the date and time, and there will be like a right away a format of the time on your phone, which is the 24-hour time. If you want to have this 24-hour format, go turn on this button and you'll see now my time is already displayed in a 24 hours format. Here is the previous one, and here after I updated it. So that is the way how to change the time format on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next tutorial.